In this video, I will show you how to share your real-time location in Google Maps, and this is for safety purpose. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Google Maps. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on location sharing. And here you go. Stay connected. Share your real-time location with friends and family. They can see where you are and share with you across Google Maps, apps, and services. Your location is updated even when the app is not in use. All you have to do is to simply click on share location. Then here you go. At this point here, share your real-time location for 1 hour or until you turn off this. Everything depends on you. The next thing you want to do right here, you will be given suggested friend right here, or better still, you can share to them on Messenger, text message, WeChat, Telegram. You can slide and see more options such as Facebook feed, Facebook story, Facebook and the likes, Gmail, Quick, Google, Instagram, Visa, and etc. The more you slide, the more you see different ways by which you can share your real-time location to your friends and family, including WhatsApp and likewise Bluetooth. And you can at the same time copy the real-time location link. You can slide this way as well and see different contacts that you can easily share your real-time location with. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use Google service like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.